Hey everyone! So I wanted to start this vlog series because a lot of my friends back home have been wondering if I've settled in okay and how life's been going so far since I've been here for a little over a month in Perth. So I moved here on a student visa to start my master's education or studies at Murdoch University here in Perth. And I'm really excited to share, first of all, what life has been like, and maybe we'll start small with a little room tour. So this is my messy workstation. My sister had just made me a banana pudding matcha latte because I was feeling a bit homesick and I missed the one that we used to get in our favorite cafe back in the Philippines. It's called Ula. It's in Makati and they do the best ones, and I haven't really found anything like that here yet. So yeah, I was really happy, and she kind of made the whole batch, so it's been good for like a week. And yeah, so that's my little workstation. Right now I'm in the middle of getting some modules done since like it's too early to do anything anyway. School actually starts for me on the 23rd of February, so I have another month to really explore, get more familiar. And yeah, I just thought that I'd take you along with me. So yeah, that you've seen my table, and then this is the rest of my room. This was a gift from my sister. It's a hand-me-down since she has a new chair, so she gave me this one. This bed that we got, it's from IKEA. I just started putting a little bit of my stuffed toys and my pillow, my childhood pillow, that I take everywhere with me. This part is so messy since I was just going through it, but this so far is my favorite spot. So I decorated it with everything that I love. So I found this at a salvo, so it's like a thrift shop, and I got it I think for like $2. It's a shell hardware plate and I love it, so I put all of my favorite perfumes on it. This one was a gift from my best friend, as well as the Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent. And I have my Jo Malone, which is my favorite, Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Mojave Ghost from Byredo. And then this is a perfume that we made in Vietnam with the same best friend who got me these. We attended a perfume making workshop, so I was really happy. A bit of the writing has rubbed off, but I called it Song Vasen, which means fig and sen, the flower. So the notes are like fresh, clean, fig, and musky, and we wrote it here. And this is the color, and I love it. It's one of my favorite things, but I'm also trying to save it so it won't go by so quick. And I got this little sampler, which is the Orange Bitters Cologne when I got the Wood Sage one. This is a fin that I haven't used on my board yet back home, but I really wanted to take a little piece of me here in Australia and remind me that I'm still that girl. And so she's there. I got the stand also from Salvos. This is a little tray that I got, which is like a plate number of a car in Hawaii, but it's just a trinket plate, but I like to see it because Hawaii is one of my dream destinations to go to. Some chocolates. The rest of my drawer, this is a mess, and one of my favorite Funko Pops, which is Skipper the Penguin from the Madagascar movie. And then this is my closet, so it's a bit messy right now, but everything is in here. I didn't bring much from when I moved, since I also wanted to redo my whole wardrobe. And yeah, it's in the process. I'm still looking for more baskets to put my bags, towels, sheets in. That's why this is a mess. And then I have everything that I would wear on a daily basis lined up in the cabinet. And then some of the luggages of my mom and my sister are in here too, so it's not cluttered outside. But yeah, I'll have more space there eventually for shoes and stuff. Yeah, and then this actually is an old iMac. It's no longer working, so we might just donate it after we reformat it. It's my sister's as well. And those are little gifts that I have, but I'm not able to hang up on the wall. It's pictures of me surfing. I want to find a home for it eventually. I was thinking to put it up here, but we're not allowed to touch like or drill anything on the wall, so maybe just something here beside the fin. And then yeah, that's actually it. So we're keeping the blinds shut for now since it's really hot, and I think it's getting even hotter since we're expecting the weather to be like 41 degrees today. So yeah, I'm just home. I'm finishing the assessment and I'm excited to take you on more vlogs about how life is going. But so far it's been great. We've been settling in really well, and I recently attended a campus tour at my school, and I was really excited because I was able to see a lot of the places that I was only seeing in pictures, and I'm just thrilled to be like immersing myself in this new experience and really just getting a feel of everything for the first time in a very long time, since I don't even know, like the last time I studied was my bachelor's degree in 2017, and that feels like a whole decade ago. Yeah, this is so good. It feels sad to dunk in the banana pudding, but it also gives it the sweetness, since my sister likes making her matcha very earthily, and I love it. But yeah, I hope I can take you along on other more adventures, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!